Hello guys, this is Mathrik. If this is the first time you have come across with this channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you may see the new update. In today's lesson, we are looking at binary addition because last time we were looking at how to change binary to decimal and how to change decimal to binary. And for today, we are looking on how to apply additional 1001 to the base 2 plus 10110 to the base 2. Let's add this one. So we have to arrange this one in the way that we can add it nicely. So let's get started. For solution, we have 1001 plus 110. So let's add 1 plus 0, it is 1. So if here it was 1 and here 1, if you add 1 plus 1, then you find 2, then you can't write 2 because this number it is in base 2. So you have to write 0, remainder of 2, remainder of 1, in which 0 plus 1, which is 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus here there is 0, so here it will be 1. So this number it is in base 2. So this is addition of base 2. So let's try to we have to add 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. We have 5 ones, which is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So let's add this one. So if you add 1 plus 1 and this number it is in base 2, so you can't write 2 here. So what you have to do, you have to divide 2 into 2, which is 1, and the remainder it is 0. So we have to write 0 here, which is a remainder. Then we carry 1 here, carry 1 here, then 1 plus 0, which is 0. 1 plus 0, which is 1, plus 1, which is 2. So you can't write 2 even here. You divide 2 into 2, 1, with a remainder of 0. So you have to write a remainder here, which is 0. You carry 1. 1 plus 1, which is 2, plus 1, which is 3. So 2 into 3, it is 1, remainder 1. So you have to write 1 here. 1 here. Because the 2 into 3, it is 1, remainder 1. So you have to write a remainder of 1 here. Then 1 plus 0, it is 1 plus that one, which is 2. So you can't write 2 here, in which we are going to divide 2 into 2, which is 1, with a remainder of 0. So here it will be 0. Then 1 plus 1, it is 2, plus that one which we are carrying, we are going to have 3. So 2 into 3, it is 1, remainder 1, because we have reached at the last stage. So this is our answer for question 2. So thank you for watching. See you next time.